Walmart Family Mobile, now integrated with T-Mobile's network, offers affordable prepaid wireless plans. This overview explains how to add minutes through top-up using three key methods: manual top-up, auto-refill, and USSD codes. Top-up refers to adding funds to your account. You can do this manually via physical cards, the Straight Talk app, or online. Auto-refill automates this process, deducting funds when your balance is low. USSD codes are short codes you dial on your phone to add minutes without internet. These methods are essential to maintain uninterrupted service. Manual top-up involves purchasing minutes and applying them to your account. You can use physical cards from Walmart, purchase online through the Straight Talk app on iOS and Android using methods like PayPal, or even scan QR codes for instant activation. Auto-refill automatically adds minutes when your balance drops below a set threshold. Activate this feature on the Straight Talk website, providing your phone number, account PIN, and payment information. This requires setting customizable thresholds based on the new Walmart app update. USSD codes offer a no-internet method for adding minutes. Dial 611# for balance checks or tap followed by your PIN to top up. This is helpful for users in areas with limited connectivity. All methods are protected by security measures like PIN protection to prevent unauthorized top-ups.